Are you recording this, Dale? Yeah, I'm recording. Hi, my name is Filbert, and I've been on this railway. I've joined this railway 23 years ago. Well, I've lived on this island, but it's connected to Britain, and apparently people love the island of Sodor thing. I don't know. Oh, Dale, look, a train's coming. You guys will be surprised what it'll look. Alright, turn the camera, Dale. Sorry. Alright, turning camera. Oh, wow. Get the camera far away. Sorry, my bad. But yeah, I think that should do. Alright, Dale. Impressive. I didn't really think a train come by. I know. Well, let's just turn our stuff and go. Come on, Dale. Ah, I like it here. Sometimes I get to sit around. That's a funny looking wall. Uh, that's Miguel. Sorry, my name's Mike, but I understand. So we're here to kind of deport the trucks. The tracks. Why? Why would we need to do that? Well, because this is kind of your first train, and we want to see how this works. All right. What do I do? Just go back, go uncouple, and then you should be ready. All right. All right. Now go back. Should I whistle? No, no. Come on, Mick. Come on, Mike. All right. Do you think that shunter will ever move us? I mean, all we can do is just put our brakes. What are you talking about? I control the brakes. I have brakes too. I don't believe you. Look, well, do we really want Mike? Come on. He's just a. He literally got us here. He didn't even shunt us into that siding. Well, maybe another engine will. You know what? No. You know what? No. No. Screw this. Hey, Mike! 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 Huh? Did did you call me? Yeah, we need you to shunt us into that siding. Oh, sorry. Sorry, my bad. Alright, I'm going back. What do you want me to do? We want you to shunt us into that siding. That's a bit difficult. Oh, what if I shunt you there? Um, come on, Lance. There's more space here. Alright, fine. Couple onto the brake pan and then just shunt us back there. Alright. Alright, couple us. Alright, going. I swear, Britain. Have you seen Thomas and Friends? Wait, let's hope we don't end up turning into crushed Kimball. Alright. Alright, we stopped. Alright, now we want you to shunt us back into that siding. Alright, do you want me to call my friend Lance? No. Alright, you know the drill. Prepare and help. Alright, I think you did a good job. I did? Yeah, now have your driver uncouple us. Uncoupled. Alright, you can go do your thing. Alright. Well, I'm gonna be going. Can you believe it? It's silly. Well, at least we're shunted. What was that noise? What noise? Lance, are you going insane? I thought I heard a noise from that track. Wait, that can't be. You must be going insane. There's no engine on that line. It's been abandoned 50 years ago. There's no way that there's an engine on that line. It's probably rusting there. Well, you never know. Oh, don't be like that. I swear, if you're gonna say, haha, I got you again, I'm going to send you off a hill. No, you're not. I hate you.